Jamie's Toybox.
Hi friends, welcome to Animal Adventures. I'm Billy the Goat, and today we're going to learn all about farm animals. Let's take a trip to the farm.
Wow, look at all the animals. Farms are home to many different animals, and each one has something special about it. Let's start with a classic farm animal, the cow. This is a cow. Cows are known for giving us milk, which we use to make cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. Cows say moo. Let's listen. Did you hear that? That's a cow mooing. Cows are very gentle and love to eat grass. Next we have pigs. Pigs are very smart and love to play in the mud to keep cool. Pigs say oink oink. Let's hear it. Oink oink. That's the sound a pig makes. Pigs can be pink, black, or even spotted. Look over there. It's a sheep. Sheep have fluffy wool that we use to make clothes and blankets. Sheep say baa. Listen closely. Baa, baa. That's how a sheep talks. Sheep love to stay together in groups called flocks. He even looks a little bit like me. Here comes a horse. Horses are strong and fast. People ride them and use them to help with farm work. Horses say neigh. Let's hear it. Neigh. That's the sound of a horse. Horses love to run and play. Now we have some chickens. Chickens lay eggs that we eat for breakfast. Chickens say, cluck cluck. Listen to this. Cluck cluck. That's the sound of a chicken. Chickens can be different colors, like white, brown, and black. Look, there's a duck. Ducks love to swim and have webbed feet to help them paddle. Ducks say, quack quack. Let's listen. Quack quack. That's the sound of a duck. Ducks are great swimmers and love the water. Wow, we've met so many amazing animals today. Cows, pigs, sheep, horses, chickens, and ducks. Each one has its own special sound and things they do on the farm. Thanks for coming along on our farm adventure, friends. Remember to listen for these animal sounds and see if you can spot any of these animals next time you visit a farm. Don't forget to come back for more animal fun. See you next time. Bye.